This simply means that you're not making enough of the enzymes that are needed to break the histamines. But the root cause is lymphatics. Your lymphatic system is compromised. Your adrenal glands are compromised because that makes use of minerals. So when you have a low enzyme level that's needed to break this, is because you're not making use of B6, vitamin C, okay, and copper. And this is all due to adrenal glands. Weak adrenal glands means poor mineral utilization. You need to fix that. You need to fix your small intestines. This is how you absorb nutrients. If it's covered with mucus plaque, you can absorb nutrients, you have a problem. You need to address the lymphatic system. When the lymphatic system is compromised, you put your body in a position where you're going to have gut dysbiosis, overgrowth of the wrong bacteria. You have a misfunction in the use of minerals. So I would jump onto a 100% fruit diet, like a grape-only diet. To select the fruits that you can tolerate. Go heavy on the herbs for lymphatic herbs, adrenal herbs, bowel strengthening, bowel cleanser, clean the mucus plaque in the small intestines so you can absorb nutrients, work on your kidney filtration, because this is all kidneys. If you address all those parts and the body starts working properly, you will not have this issue arise, okay? Because this is very similar to an allergy. Allergies are lymphatics. Okay? Lymphatics, kidneys, adrenal glands, the gut. Use parasite tincture, use extra herbs for parasites so you can get rid of bacterial overgrowth or fungal overgrowth, and stay steady with 100% fruit diet and the herbs I just mentioned, and you see you do very well.